So today we're going to talk about color correcting. I have some concealers and some color correctors. I actually have a concealer palette as well. And I'll start off with the actual concealers. So I like to use LA Girl Pro Concealer and also LA Color Conceal It. So the first one I have is in orange. Orange is good for if you have dark spots or scarring on your face. And the orange is good if you are medium to dark complexion. The peach pretty much serve the same purpose, but it's for light to fair skin. The next one I have is the green concealer, and this one is good if you have acne, red spots on your face, if you have like rosacea, very reddish spots on your skin. This is good for covering that up. So green is good for if you have yellow undertones or swelling on the face, like puffiness. White is good for highlighting or brightening up areas on your face. So today I'm going to show you what I do to color correct my skin. So as you can see, I have dark spots under my eyes and I have some acne scars on my face. Also like around my lips, a little dark, and in my chin area. So what you want to do is take a little, you don't need a lot, a little truly goes a long way. You can use your finger or a brush to apply, and you just want to apply it directly to the areas and just blend that out. Because you're going to apply foundation over it, but you want to make sure that it's blend out nicely underneath, because you don't want it to show through your foundation. Went ahead and I applied the rest of the concealer or the color corrector on my dark spots, and up top on my forehead is my primer, and I also put it on my nose because that's where I have the most produce the most oil. I'm just gonna rub that in. And you just want to apply your foundation as normal. So I'm going to take my foundation. It is the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 356. I'm just going to take that and apply it to my face. And I'm just going to put that right on top of where I put the color corrector. And just continue to blend that out. As you can see, it's already covering up the color corrector as well as the dark spots. So you just want to continue to apply your foundation. And as you see, it is covering the blemishes as well as the concealer, the color corrector. And I'm just going to keep applying it. So as you can see, everything is all covered nice and evenly, and you can't see the blemishes or the color corrector. So the good thing about it, you can wear the color corrector under any foundation. It can be full coverage or middle to light coverage, but you just want to make sure that you blend out your foundation really well. And if you have to do more than one coat, then that's fine, but you definitely want to remember, use very little of the color corrector. You really don't need a lot to hide just your imperfections. So that's it. That's all I do to cover up my imperfections. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably pop on some lashes and add some color to my lips, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching.